Hello everybody, I'm Sebastian Guerrero and I'm going to show you my midterm project today. I made PyCirrus, a cloud service that lets you build the backend to any application using Dropbox API. So I made two parts to my project, which is the interface, which you can see, and the module that allows you to manipulate data within your own Python code. To get the module, you just it's called PyCirrus 2, and you can just download this and import it to your code. And to know the basic usability of PyCirrus, it's in this button, the instructions, which you can see here. So right now we're gonna make a new user, ex. So the client is something that you get from your own Dropbox, so that your data is safely stored within your own information. And the way to get this, it's in the instructions. So here I made an account, and as you can see from the top, my computer is connected to my own Dropbox, so I can see when my own files are updated. So right now we're gonna go access this new user that is connected to another Dropbox. So anything that we do here won't be connected. So this is here because I've been messing around with this other Dropbox, but let's make a new class. Let's call it example ex.txt. Here are all the rules, and anytime you don't do anything that is wrong, you will get a dialog box that will tell you how to fix it. So here we have ex. It's empty. We have these 4 buttons that allow you to manage the data. So you can delete a row, and add a column. Right now we cannot add a column because we do not have any information to add. So we'll just make something simple. And you have all these types to make it. So right now we'll make it a string. We'll add it. Here we go. We can add a row as well. So we'll do my name. And all of this, there's no update because it's being updated to this specific Dropbox account. The refresh button allows you to refresh the data, see if there's any new changes. And the save buttons work if I change any of this. So let's say it's changed to Cosby and save it. It will save in all in the cloud. So now anytime this is accessed, it'll be Cosby. You can delete a class so that it doesn't exist anymore. And there's also user settings so that you can change your data. And the way this works, it accesses my cloud account that has all the users' information. Also, you can send error reports. So if you notice anything glitchy, or you just want to say this is cool, for example, it will send it to my Dropbox, and you will see it will update. So right now we will go to my account, which is the admin account. And what you will see is that I have 2 things, error reports and PyCirrus users. So here I select them. There's my own, and there is the one that we created. So just a quick example, this are the object IDs that have to be unique to each row. I can also send myself error reports, and I can also delete accounts. So to delete, you would select and delete, but I won't do that. Just a quick example. I will change the username to user, save the data, and as you will see, it will change in the whole cloud. So anyone who's using this application, the data changed for them. So I will log out, and as you saw, the passwords were hashed. So I know if I do ex, how our username and login was for our other account, the user does not exist. So I have to do user now because that's what it is. And here we go. And here's our example. Yep, and this is my 112 project, and the module allows you to do all these basic functions, but in an easy to use code so that you can implement into your own projects. Thank you so much. This was an awesome project to work on.